Hello, guys, and welcome back for another math review with Mr. Hopkins. Today we're looking at Unit 5. Number 1 says graph the line with a slope that is equal to -1/4 and a y-intercept of -1. So first, let's draw our axes in. Right. The y-intercept is -1, so on the y-axis, plot it at -1. The slope from there is -1/4, so I go down 1 over 4. If I run out of room, I can go backwards. I can go up 1, back 4. And then go ahead and graph your line. And label, which is part B. It says write the equation of the line. Y equals -1/4 x minus 1. There it is. Number 2. Given the line 6x minus 2y equals 4, state the slope. Before I can identify the slope and y-intercept, I have to get y by itself. So let's subtract 6x to both sides. -2y equals -6x plus 4. And then divide everything by -2. So y equals 3x minus 2. That was a tough one. So the slope is always the number in front of x. That is 3. And the y-intercept is the other number, -2. It says graph and label the line. Again, your axes. And they don't have to be perfectly in the middle. They should be done with a ruler if you printed this off. The y-intercept is -2. 1, 2. And the slope is 3. As a fraction, it's 3 over 1. So that is up 3 over 1. Up 3 over 1. And again, if you run out of room, go down 3, back 1. Now, the more points you have, the more accurate your line is. And it did tell us to label the line. Y equals 3x minus 2. State the slope of a line that passes through those points. Remember, slope is the change in y over change in x. Every point has an x and a y. So I subtract my y's, and then I subtract my x's. So 8 minus -2 all over -3 minus -1. Whenever you minus a negative, it's the same as plus a positive. So 8 plus 2 is 10. -3 plus 1 is -2. So my slope is -5. Number 4. What is the slope of the line containing those 2 points? Let's do the same thing. Change in y over change in x. 4 minus 2 and 7 minus -5. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 plus 5 is 12. So if I get 2 over 12, that is the same as 1/6, choice A. And lastly, number 5. What is the best estimated slope for the linear function graphed in the accompanying diagram? Well, first of all, as I read this graph from left to right, going this way, it's going down. That tells me it's negative. So it cannot be choice A and it cannot be choice B because those are positive slopes. So it's either -2 or -1. Excuse me, 1/2. Well, here is 1 point. And to get over here to this next point, I have to go down 1 over 2. 1 second. So our answer is -1/2. So I hope you found this useful and this was very refreshing to see again. Let me know if you have any problems. Thanks.